I'm so confused. Should I work out on an empty stomach or right after eating? What's the deal? Hello gorgeous girl, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be answering a very hot topic that I get asked about all the time, which is, should I do a fasted workout or a fed workout? AKA, should I not eat before my workout or should I eat immediately after? And there is so much conflicting information out there, but rest assured, I'm gonna get down to the nitty gritty and tell you the truth. So if you're new here, hello, I'm Tracy. I put up brand new fitness, wellness, and lifestyle videos every single week. So if you haven't already, do make sure to subscribe to my channel. And for everyone, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you always know when I have a brand new video that goes live. All right, so let's get into this hot topic. So I get asked this question from private coaching clients, from students in my weight loss program, and from members of my Transformer tribe. And everyone wants to know, what is the one thing that's gonna work to really skyrocket my fat loss and my weight loss, right? I mean, we all wanna know that, right? So we've been told that working out in a fasted state, AKA you had your dinner, you don't have anything, you do your workout first thing in the morning and then you have breakfast. That's a fasted state, right? That's gonna be better for your body fat and weight loss, okay? But here's the deal. There have been some studies that show that, you know, exercising in a fasted state can have benefits for fat loss and, you know, therefore weight loss. However, there really hasn't been any consistent studies that have evidence that show that fasted workout is really going to create long-lasting fat burning and therefore weight loss. So like most things in nutrition, I hate to break it to you, there isn't one right answer. I know it sucks, but the most important thing that I can tell you or anyone that I work with when it comes to weight loss and nutrition is this: know thyself. Know your body, because what works for you might not work for me, right? So personally, I can have dinner, you know, not have anything, wake up in the morning, no coffee, boom, get the workout in, and I feel great. Some people, and I have a client that comes to mind that she's like, I have to eat something, and almost told me that sheepishly, like she was saying something bad, and I was like, that's completely fine. You have to know your body and what works best for you. Now, there is one caveat to this, and I'll get to that in a second, so make sure you keep watching. So performance-based, there's really no hard evidence that shows fasted or a fed workout is gonna make your workout better or worse. Some people will find that their energy is dragging. There's another thing to put into account here, and that is, what kind of workout are you doing? So workouts with me are always about 30 minutes, okay? So, you know, for a 30-minute workout, you don't need to have some giant breakfast in order to do it, right? That's something to definitely take into account. What kind of workout are you doing, in addition to what works best for you and your body? But here's the other thing to remember. It's not like when you wake up in the morning, if you had dinner and then you wake up and you do your workout, you are not a car. You're not operating from an empty tank of gas. Our body naturally, every single body has a store of about 2,000 calories of glycogen, and then also our just normal body fat, that it's gonna use those stores for energy. So it's not like, oh my God, I haven't eaten in forever. If you're hungry, eat. If you're not and you wanna just get the workout done, that's cool too. You've gotta do what works best for you. Now, like I said, there is one caveat to this. So studies do show if you're doing really, really heavy endurance training. I'm not talking about like a HIIT workout or something that you'll find in Total Body Transformation, my fitness program, something 30 minutes, you know, an interval cycle or something like that. Even though the workout might feel really intense, you're fine. I'm talking about you're training for a triathlon, you're training for a marathon. Studies do show that if you have a meal before, about 3 to 4 hours before doing your training, that can help you with your endurance. But for most of my students and my clients, that actually isn't the case anyway, and I actually am not a performance endurance athlete coach. That's just not what I do. I am the coach for you who you want to get fit, you want to lose weight, and you want to actually enjoy your life in the process. So, like most things, as I said, there isn't the one answer. The most important thing is that you take into account who you are, how you feel your best, what workouts are you doing, and what just works for you. So you are the deciding factor here. So I hope that that actually empowers you to really start listening to your body, because your body is incredibly wise. Now, I know that there was just so much conflicting information out there, especially when it comes to nutrition. We're just bombarded with messages, and they're usually, it's like, they'll say this is good, oh, no, this is good, no, this is good, no, this is good. And it's just so frustrating. And that's one of the things that I teach you inside of my weight loss program, Your Hottest Body Ever, is that, you know, whatever program that you're doing, whatever nutrition plan that you're following, it absolutely has to work for you and for your lifestyle. And if it doesn't, then I hate to break it to you, you're probably on just a dumb diet. It's a fad. And even if you do get some temporary results, those results will not last because it doesn't really work for you. So I do want to invite you, I have a free masterclass where you'll learn all about my premium weight loss program, Your Hottest Body Ever. You can click on the link down below here and get all the details. It's a free masterclass. It'll give you the exact outline that I teach my students to lose weight without tracking macros, counting calories, or following any dumb diet. It is a lifestyle plan and it works. So I'd love to invite you to my masterclass. Click on the link down below this video. And that's what I've got for you today. I really hope this helped you to get some clarity. If it did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.